Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we're delving into the epitome of luxury and performance, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Performance. This flagship sedan seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort, setting new standards in the high-performance luxury segment. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a masterpiece of automotive engineering. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Performance commands attention with its sophisticated yet aggressive design. The front fascia features the distinctive AMG-specific Panamericana grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide both style and superior illumination. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines enhance its visual appeal while improving performance. The rear is equally impressive, with quad exhaust outlets and a subtle spoiler that hints at its formidable capabilities. The vehicle's imposing stance is further accentuated by 20-inch AMG 10-spoke wheels, with options to upgrade to 21-inch forged wheels for those seeking an even bolder appearance. Stepping inside, the G63 Performance offers an opulent interior that seamlessly marries luxury with advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with premium Nappa leather upholstery, available in various color schemes to suit individual tastes. Carbon fiber and metal accents add a sporty flair, while the ambient lighting system offers 64 color options, allowing occupants to tailor the atmosphere to their preference. The spacious interior provides ample headroom and legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. The rear seats can be folded to expand the cargo area, enhancing the vehicle's practicality. At the heart of the AMG G63 Performance lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 791 horsepower and 1,055 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse propels the sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of its stature. The engine is paired with an AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed automatic transmission, offering seamless gear changes and responsive acceleration. The performance is further enhanced by the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which provides optimal traction across various terrains. The G63 Performance is equipped with the latest iteration of the Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen central multimedia display. This system offers intuitive controls, voice activation, and seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster, also a 12.3-inch display, provides customizable views of vital driving information. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, enhance safety and convenience on the road. Despite its luxurious appointments, the G63 Performance remains a formidable performance machine. It boasts a robust chassis and an AMG Ride Control Plus suspension system, offering adjustable damping that enables drivers to tailor the ride quality to their preference, whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads. The vehicle's impressive handling and stability are further enhanced by active roll stabilization and rear axle steering, providing a dynamic driving experience that belies its size. In the competitive landscape of luxury sedans, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Performance stands out as a symbol of status and performance. Its unique blend of timeless design, opulent interior, and exceptional performance appeals to discerning buyers seeking a vehicle that can effortlessly transition from executive transport to spirited driving. The G63 Performance's enduring appeal is a testament to Mercedes-AMG's commitment to engineering, excellence and luxury craftsmanship. As we conclude our in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Performance, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which feature of this flagship sedan captivates you the most? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Trends for more comprehensive reviews and insights into the automotive world. Until next time, drive with passion and embrace the journey.